Welcome friends to my new video. Uh, this video is about vortex mathematics. I will go in detail analysis about vortex mathematics. This is the second part. Okay. I hope you enjoy the first part. Uh, in the previous part, at the last time I told about some frequency. This frequency or musical notes invented by some Benedict monk in the 11th century named Guido de Agidio. Okay, this frequency is called solfeggio frequency. Okay, all the frequencies, if you add the numbers and convert it to in basic number, I mean the single digit, you will see every numbers are 936, 936, right? Next, if you convert the time frame, okay, different kind of time, like 1 minute, 1 hour, and convert it into seconds. Okay, look, 1 minute equal to 60 seconds equal to 6. 1 hour equal to 3600 second equal to 3 plus 6 plus equal to 9. 1 day equal to 86400 second equal to 9. One calendar year equal to 3153600 second equal to 9. One astronomical year, 365.25 days equal to 9. And one leap year means 366 days equal to 316225400 seconds equal to 9. So you can convert any time frame into second. You will see the addition of the number or the basic number are 6, 9 or 3. So this nature's basic frequencies are 3, 6 and 9, right? We will look up for some more example. Uh, Here, Nikola Tesla said, if you want to find the secrets of the universe, think in terms of energy, frequency, and vibration. Now, for the existence, for our living, for our existence, 9 months in womb for a baby, okay? According to human physiologist, an adult average weight of 70 kg take 12 breaths a minute. That makes 17,820 breaths equal to 9 in 24-hour period, and he shall inhale about 8640 liters, means equal to 9 of air. Now, if you divide the total number of inhale, sorry, total number of breath and the total number in liter of air, inhale air. If you divide these two, you will get 2.0625, which is again equal to 6. Okay. Moon gravity, right? Moon gravity is 1.62 meter per second square is equal to 9. Radius is 1737 kilometer or 1080 mile is equal to 9. We will use the mile, not kilometer. There are some certain reason why we will use mile. Orbital period of moon 27 days equal to 9. For sun, mass is 1.989 e to the power 30 is equal to, again some you will get 3. Radius uh, 6 lakh 95,700 kilometer or 4,32,288 mile is equal to 9. So everywhere you see in nature, you will see that this number are repeating 6, 3, and 9. Right? Actually, the number 3 uh, or in degree or third is the highest degree that you will find in the blue lodge, but in Scottish Rite frequencies, resonance or harmony, highest degree of the Supreme Council is the 33rd degree, which is 3 plus 3 equal to 6 or 3 into 3 is equal to 9, which is power of creation and the creator of all truth. Everything in our universe works perfectly. For every positive three or every positive, there are negative. We think there is only government law that govern our society, but we do not know what kind of law that keep the world or nature in order and organize so that we work in perfect harmony, right? Everything works perfectly. This is what we call the universal law or the law of nature. These laws are the responsible for governing force that determine without fail every aspect of creation. These include each of the event, condition, and circumstance experienced by everyone in the world. By universal laws are not based on theory or speculation, which at one point we believe that these are all are speculation or mystical or that kind of thing. But now the latest scientific discoveries prove that uh, it can be measured on a physical level. What is important is that you understand that they do exist and then in conscious and intentional way you will learn this all the thing. Okay. Now, in this way you will explore your life and progress ahead. There are some universal law or natural law. I will try to discuss those laws here. The first law, the law of oneness. Okay. This law states that everything is connected with everything else. What we think or say or believe will have corresponding effect on others, as well as the universe around us. Right? According to the law of the humanity, and all of the creation are one. Everything that exists, that seen or unseen, is connected to everything. Everything in this universe is made up of energy. That could be a living being or non-living being. This energy is what governs the movement of everything in the universe. The next law is the law of vibration. The law of vibration states that everything in the universe moves and vibrates. Everything is vibrating at one speed or another. Nothing rests. Everything you see around you is vibrating, and so are you. However, your frequency is different from others, and that is why it seems like you are separated from what you see around you. In true, you are not separated. You are, in fact, living in an ocean of energy, as we all are connected at lowest level. When we go down at subatomic level, we do not find matter but pure energy. Some call this the unified field, or the matrix, everything has its own vibrational frequency, right? The car, the table, the cat, or even our thoughts or feelings. It is all governed by the law of vibration. Einstein said, match the frequency of the reality you want, and you cannot help but get the reality. It can be no other way. This is not philosophy. This is physics. The law of action. The law of action is required to manifest our thoughts and desire. The law says you must do the things and perform the action necessary to achieve what you are setting out to do. Action sets into motion and our thoughts and desire. You need to take action, okay, progress, always moving forward to keep your balance. Okay, this last word is important. You need to take action or progress, always moving forward to keep your balance. Like you are cycling, right? If you don't do the pedaling, the cycle, you can't sit on the cycle, you will fall. The same way in life, you have to do action. You need to do action. Otherwise, you can't stand up. You will fall. The law of correspondence. The universal law of correspondence states that the principles or law of physics that explains the physical world, energy, light, vibration, or motion, have their corresponding principle in the one minute. In the etheric or the higher universe, that which is not matter. Okay, which is not material. Basically, whatever is above is like that, which is below, and whatever is below is that which is above. In simpler term, whenever you are feeling or thinking within is exactly what is happening outside of your mind and body. And this relates to over every object, place, or person you come in contact with. It is hard to feel happy deep within and act like we are angry outwardly, or feel depressed from within and act like we are absolutely fine externally. Your current reality is a mirror of what is going on inside you. Your reality is a result of your innermost dominant thoughts. If your life is filled with happiness, chaos, or is just straight up unfulfilling, it is because that is how you are in the inside, right? So from inside, what do you, if you feel sad or if you feel happy, in the outer world, you will feel the same. You okay? The law of cause and effect. This is the law that that equals what we live and knows as karma. Okay, every thought, action, or word by you is cause, and every reaction, feeling, or as assumption that is created through that cause is the effect. It is like the pendulum, right, or boomerang. The hard you through it bounce back. Okay. The law of cause and effect states that every cause has an effect and every effect becomes the cause of something else. This suggests the universe always in motion and itself progress from a chain of events. The, sorry. This law, in its basic working model, is proof that the world is round and universe too is indeed in that spherical shape. Every action, creation, intervention affects human behavior in some way. The law of compensation. This is an extension of the law of cause and effect. The law states that you get what you give, right? The law says that one shall always be compensated for the efforts and for the contribution, whatever it may be, however much or however little. If you invest only for today, you will benefit from only for tomorrow. If you invest for lifetime, you will never stop reaping the benefits. The law of cause and effect ensures that each of your thoughts and actions returns to you. The law of compensation ensures the quantity of those returns. The more you give, that is action, the more you will receive, right? The benefits. The next law is the law of attraction. This is very famous also. This is the law that the both of secret elaborates on extensively. The law of attraction responds your trust, thoughts, and action. Our job is to hold on onto those thoughts that we want, make it absolutely clear in our minds what we want, and from that we can start to invoke one of the greatest law in the universe. You become what you think about the most, but you also attract the what you think about the most. Okay. Next law is the law of perpetual transmutation of energy. It states that every individual has within themselves the power to change their circumstances, no matter what they may be. Wallace Rewards says that simply put, energy from the formless realm is constantly flowing into the material world, and taking from this energy is limitless and exhaustible as old form are exhausted. They give way for new form to energy emerge. Sorry, new form to emerge. For the invisible hidden energy of the universe, it means that the energy of the universe is constantly moving from one object or individual into other. We can harness this energy to manifest and create whatever it is that we want. By emitting the same vibration, we can shape this formless energy within the thoughts in our nature and mind and change it. The fact that the energy in around us can be modeled in whichever way we want. The fact that we are free to change our current condition. Change is the only constant thing in the universe. Empty your mind, be formless, shapeless like water. Bruce Lee. The law of relativity. It states that each person will receive a series of problems, taste of initiation, or lesson for purpose of strengthening the light within. Each of these states or lesson are to be viewed as challenge and remains connected to our heart. When proceeding to solve the problem, there always to be someone who having it worse than us, right? Everything in our world become real only by relative comparison with other things. The law of polarity. According to the law, everything is in quantum and has an opposite. Everything is in a continuum and has an opposite. Where there is black, there is white. Where there is darkness, there is light. Where there is good, there is also bad. This is why we are able to change our thoughts or frequency easily. The law of polarity validates that this is a universe of duality. Everything exists in two. There is no set points of where it starts and ends, and that marks the polarity of the law. The law of uh, the law of rhythms. It is omitted here. Everything happens for a reason, and everything happens at a right time. Everything flows out and in. Everything has its tides. All things rise and shall. The okay. Uh, the last one is the law of gender. This law states that everything exists in the masculine, all as well as the feminine. There are two. There are two sides of the same coin, right? This is the law that governs creation. Okay. The law of gender. This law states that everything exists in the masculine as well as the feminine. There are two sides of the same coin. This is the law that governs creation. It states this is everything is in nature in both male and female. Both are required equal in order. Okay, to exist. No one is greater or lesser than the other, and both sides are inhabited within each individual. Uh, I keep the video up to this. I will describe the next part in the next week. I will try to make another video in this week also. Okay. So we will meet on the next week. Thank you. Goodbye. And I forget the last thing. I'm running a course. This course is about WD and calculation, square of nine, and different kind of strategy, uh, financial Vedic astrology, this type of thing. Okay. Uh, if anyone is interested, then you can contact me. My course runs for minimum 3 to 4 months. So it will require some time to run my course. Okay. Okay. Good night.